Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I'm going to teach you how to create a table using HTML. Now, tables in real life has multiple purposes. One of the uses of a table in web design is that you can create an entire web page inside a table. In this video I'm going to show you how to do that exactly. Let's dive in. After adding the tag, the headers to our web page, let's proceed to creating the table. This is a tag for the table. Rows are added with TR, whereas columns with TD. I want to create a table of 2 columns and 2 rows. As I told you earlier in the beginning, we are creating a web page inside a table. So I want to add here a sort row and then place a header. TH is for adding heading in a table. Welcome to this tutorial. Next, I want to show you that this heading, we want it to span and cover the entire column. To do that, you can write col span and then add the number of columns. We have 2 columns, so it's including the entire column. Perfect. After this, I want to add an image element. Then source is equals to image. Closing this one, I want to add, to make it look interesting, a little here, some text. Let's say special dish. Next, I want to also apply a little style here to control the width of the image in the height, limiting it to 100 pixels. Alright, I want to copy this one and duplicate it for the 3rd column in the 2nd row. Now replace the image. After doing this, in this one I want to place a button. Call for action, order now. Okay, then let's add some paragraph using our lorem ipsum paragraph generator. Also here, adding some paragraph. Next, we need to do our styling. To apply common styling, separate the elements, and then I want to have all of these elements a border of 1 pixel solid black. I want the background color to be red and the color of the text to be white. Okay, alright, next I want to separately style some elements here. This one I want the font size to be a bit bigger so it is cool to look at. Alright, then I want to add some padding to the next elements here, padding of 10 pixels. Now let's run and see how our web page looks like after completing the design. Okay, perfect. This is how our web page looks like. We have fit the entire web page inside a table. You can do a lot more styling to make it more beautiful. If you find this video tutorial helpful, for more, click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.